Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the subnet mask on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is connect to our router, so connect to the Wi-Fi network, and then just type in the IP address. By default it's 192.168.0.1. There we go. You might need to log in, so if you're logged out, to log in, the default password and username are admin and admin, which you can see right here. So now press login, and there we go. So now from the home page, we're gonna press on the settings button next to advanced. Then we're gonna go to the DHCP tab, and here we have subnet mask. So if you need to change the subnet mask, you can change it right here. And once you've done that, just press apply to save your settings and apply them. You might need to restart your router and then log in again, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.